So I'm finally back again with another video. I'm sorry I didn't show exactly which polygel color I'm using. It'll be down in the description bar below. But of course I started off with the nails cut down to the size and length that I wanted them to, you know, cuticles, all that stuff done, base gel done, and now I'm just smoothing out this polygel. I know this is one of the nude polygels, and I think it's the darkest one, but again, I'll put the exact shade that I use down below. And of course I squeeze it out on my nail, I mush and move it around, and then, you know, I quickly do a little flash cure before moving on to my other fingernails. Also, I'm gonna just say sorry that my cuticles for my, I think it was my my left hand, was looking so crusty. I'm not gonna lie, that was like almost right when I took these nails off, because I've been busy since then. So Michaela really forgot to just you know, record some B-roll. But anyway, that's besides the point. As you know, I'm just gonna be doing this on all of my nails, and this is sort of kind of just like the base layer. Now, if this is kind of I guess all you want on your nails, I would say make sure to not only thicken it up, but be more precise in how you're smoothing it, because I knew that I really wasn't, like, I was gonna clear cap it. I was like, I'm gonna just be messy with it. But again, if like you don't want to clear cap it and stuff, just be a lot more careful with smoothing it and also building up the thickness of the nail. I was just like, it's a thin sort of base layer, so yeah. And then of course, once all of the nails are smooth, I just cure them in my big lamp for 90 seconds. And then now we're moving on to the fun part, the foils. I got like this set of designer foils, and I really wanted to go for the Louis Vuitton one. If you're wondering why there's like dust or whatever on me, it's because I kind of shaved down so that my thumb was a little bit smoother, because I noticed it was like rocky and I wanted the foil to at least have a smoother canvas. So I'm just taking the Makartt foil glue, put it on there, put a couple of coats, and then you have to let it cure for about 60 seconds. Like, I went online, it was like 60 seconds or like 120. It really kind of depends on your lamp. But then after that, it becomes nice and sticky and ready for that foil. So then you place the foil design up on the nail, and then you just start going to town, rubbing that foil all on the nail. Just rub it. I think what would help with this also is like if you had like a silicone tool or something, just to help like smooth down the foil. But I did not, so I just used my fingers, and I'm just rubbing it and just making sure that, you know, that the foil transfers. And then obviously there are going to be some missed spots. I mean, I don't know if you do a perfect foil, just let me know how you do it. But for me, there were like some spots that didn't exactly stick. So really all you got to do is just continue to take that foil and then just stick it on those spots. And it's really no big deal. I think the design still came out just as beautiful. But yeah, I'm just going to proceed to do that for all of my nails. Literally the same process: the foil glue, curing it, the foils, rubbing the life out of it after peeling it off, and just sticking the other ends on the foils on parts that the foil didn't exactly stick to the nail. I mean, yeah, I'm doing it to the rest of my nails. So now to seal that design in, you just want to go ahead and apply a top coat, and then, you know, obviously if this is all you were gonna do, this is really the end for you. You know, just putting on the top coat and letting it cure in your nail lamp. But not only did I want like the foil design to be protected, but I also wanted to clear cap it because I did do a thin layer of that polygel and smooth it out really thin. So I wanted to clear cap it to not only protect the design, but also for my nail to have some thickness, so, you know, it's nice and strong and has that longevity. So again, like I said, I am just clear capping it, and I am using the Makartt clear polygel, the literal best clear polygel out on the market, honestly. And I am just clear capping it. I'm applying like a thicker amount on my nail to help, you know, build up that apex, to thicken my nail so it's a lot more sturdy and not as flimsy, because I've come to the conclusion Michaela kind of hates a thin nail, so I just like to thicken it up so it's nice and strong and that I know it is going to last. And of course I do this, and then I do a little flash cure in my mini lamp so that way it doesn't move while I do my other fingernails. And then once I have done all of my other nails, I just put it in my big lamp and cure it for 90 seconds. Now, the worst part, I would say, at least for filming, is showing you guys me filing my nails. I can't do it. I literally have to like be 2 inches away from my hands because I file them vigorously and because I want my shape, a specific shape. As you all know, I kind of just go for that coffin ballerina shape, but I tried my best to show you here, but like I honestly need my fingers 2 inches from my face. But at least once I finished filing them down to the shape I at least wanted them, now it's just to sort of smooth out the top and get rid of any lumps or bumps and just make sure that it's nice and smooth. So I'm just taking my buffing bit on my nail drill, also going over the cuticle area just to make sure, it's not too big and bulky on that area, and to just make sure that it all meshes well and blends well. And there I am, just filing it down. And then once the nails are all filed down, I go and I wash my hands just to really get rid of all the dust, so that way I don't have any dust left when I start to put on my base coat and top coat. I don't know why I do this, but I like apply a layer of base coat and then I also apply a layer of top coat on top of it. Honestly, don't know why I do it, but I do, and it works out just fine. Don't complain to me, complain to your mama. So, but once you are finished with that and cure that in your lamp, you are literally all set to go with your nice new designer foil nails. I'll also put down below where I got the nail foils, because they also have a ton of other like designer foils and different types of foils. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and especially hit that subscribe button and to hit on that bell so that you're notified whenever it is my lazy behind post and upload. And remember, when we comment, we want to bring people up and not bring people down. Bye guys.